Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you iPhone storage full. Apple hit this genius trick that frees gigabytes instantly. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your iPhone storage is always running and keep deleting photos or apps to free space, and wait a second before you delete anything, there's a genius iPhone feature that can reclaim a huge amount of storage without losing a single byte of your data. So to do it, what you need to do is, this feature is called Upload App. It allows your phone to temporarily remove the app itself to save space. Keep all your personal data within the app, including accounts, settings, and documents. So the app is removed, but everything related to the use stays safely stored in the system, and once you installed it, it opens exactly as if it was never deleted. For example, imagine you only have 2 GB of free space and Instagram tried taking up to 1.8 GB. Instead of deleting it and logging in again from scratch, use Offload app. In seconds, your phone frees space and jumps to 3.8 GB. And when you need the app again, just tap it, it will install automatically. The same applies to apps like Netflix, Telegram, or even heavy games like. So how do you use it? Simply head over to the settings. Inside settings, scroll down, then tap on General. Inside General, select iPhone storage. What you need to do is wait for your phone to calculate the storage used by each app. Choose the app taking up a lot of space and then simply tap on it. As you tap on the app, and you'll find the option on the blue highlighted letter that is Offload app. Simply tap on that option and then simply tap on Offload app once again. Wait for the process to finish. You'll find or you'll notice the app icon is still appearing on the home screen. You can see it appears on your home screen, but with a small cloud symbol. That means the app is not currently installed, but its data is still saved on the device. When you install the app, just tap the icon. Your iPhone will download it again from the App Store, and when it opens, everything will be exactly as it was before. Keep in mind, this feature removes the app completely, including its cache files. So if any app keeps freezing or draining your battery, sometimes using Offload app can actually fix the issue. However, some apps like games might lose your progress if they are not connected to a cloud account. So before offloading any game, make sure it's linked to a game center or your account. You can offload core system apps like settings, phone, messages, camera. This feature is available from iOS 11 up to the latest version available today. In short, Offload app is one of Apple's smartest innovations for users who struggle with limited storage. It's not just temporary deletion, it's a smart way to manage your space without hassle or data loss. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have. See you soon on the next one.